already. You don't happen to have those rulers I gave you last year, do you? Measure. Who has one? Who needs one? Did she give you rulers? Well, let me see. You got rulers? I'm very excited about that one.
They're like plastic.
How do you read that? Leighton, why would they some give it to everybody but Leighton? Is that really true? Is that really true? Anybody else want one while I'm fishing out? Is that like one that actually has none on it that you can see? Hopefully we just walk over here. You will look and open up your books just so you can see what looks like the anatomy. Grayson's got 12 of them. Open up your books to page, I guess, 38, 39. When we talk about measuring, we got two different systems. You've got the US whatever customary system, I think they call it, which is very hard. And you've got the metric system. And you'll hear me criticize the US customary system forever. You know, customary system, basically we deal with inches and feet and yards and miles. And the thing about the customary system is they're not really consistent. You know, there's what, 12 inches in a foot, there's 3 feet in a yard, there's 5,280 feet in a mile. It just doesn't make any sense. Whereas in the metric system, you go from millimeters to centimeters to meters, and really to kilometers. There are other ones we don't use in the middle of all those, but this is all based on tenths, so it's really easy to go from one to the other. And the problem with the US customary system is that you have to deal with fractions. And please know, in the metric system, children, I know we talked about this before, the metric system you must, M-U-S-T, use decimals. If something is 1.5 centimeters, I will mark it wrong if you write 1 1/2 centimeters, even though they really mean the same thing. In the metric system, you will, I repeat will with a capital W and 2 L's, you will use decimals. Fractions are way too hard to even goof around with those in the metric system. Alright, now the nice thing is if you look in the book on any of those things there, they give you a ruler kind of that there, and their rulers, let's say this is 0 inches, this is 1 inch, this is 2 inch. They start you off easy because they're only taking inches and cutting them into what? Do you see on there? I think they only cut them into fourths. Is that not right? Feel free to answer it and then give it a point. I would think you would want to answer since I'm the guy that can either load you down with so much homework you'll never be able to enjoy your Labor Day holiday, or I could give you nothing at all. In the book there, as you look at it, they only cut their little rulers into 1/4 inches. So that's good, but you have to know on your ruler you can't use, you have to just take the 1/4 inches if they're asking you for that. So if I'm measuring a line that goes out to here, I suppose I should stop right there. How long is my little line there? Maybe you can't see it, so I will blow it up to extreme proportions. It was supposed to stop here. Oh, maybe we should use a smaller eraser. It was supposed to stop here. Okay, and here again is the bad thing about the US system. This is 1/2 whole inches and 1/2 of another inch. But if you wrote that down, I will mark it so incorrect that you won't even, I don't know what to do. Why is that wrong? Somebody tell me why. Connor?
Because you could make it into 1/2.
Huh? I can't make it 1/4. I have to make it, Lauren?
A decimal?
Nope, you will not use decimals with inches, at least this point. Why? This is 2 and 1/2, it is 2 2/4, but why will I mark that wrong? Simpler?
Because you could just put it as 2.5.
Yes, because in fractions, you always have to use the simplest form, and the simplest form of 2 2/4 is 1/2. So the answer to this would have to be written as 2 and 1/2. Again, that is what makes the metric system such a pain to use. Because any given measurement, you could use 4 different things, but we only accept one of them. Plus yours is cut then into 8ths, and I think yours are even cut into 16ths. As it would be. But I don't think we get into that for tomorrow, I think it's just whatever there. So as you look at, well, look at page 39. What is the measurement of line A? Line segment A, the book already puts a ruler on it for you, so you don't have to put the ruler there. What is that measurement there? How long, Maya, is it?
1 3/4.
Right, 1 3/4. And again, be very careful and sure that when you're measuring here, you know, it's this line was 1 3/4 because it went to there. Make sure you count spaces, not little hash marks, because you could go 1 2 3 4 fours. No, it's 1 space, 2 space, 3 out of 4 spaces, so that's why it was 3/4. Now how about the metric one for letter B? How long is that? In millimeters. How long in millimeters is that? You don't have to measure your ruler because they have a ruler there already on it. Layton?
20.5.
No. That would be, well, first of all, in centimeters it'd be 2.5. But each one of those little marks is 1. It gives you the 20. It gives you the 20. Here's your ruler. This was 10. This was 20. This is 30. And then it gives you, it went to here. It's not 20.5, it is
25.
25. Because this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. In centimeters, how long would that be? Aaron? 2.5. Don't say a half. I just got done explaining, we can't use fractions. What else do we ask? Anything? Should we just get rolling here? If you're measuring the length of a pencil, would you use inches, yards, or miles? Chase. Inches. If you're measuring the distance between 2 towns, would you use centimeters, meters, or kilometers? Joseph?
Meters.
Huh?
Meters.
Between towns? That'd be a lot of meters. When you do a race, what do they measure races in? I was at a 3,000 meter race. No, it is usually what? Riley? Yeah, kilometers. I did a 5K. If you ran a 5K, that means it is 5 kilometers, which would be 5,000 meters, or what? 500,000 centimeters, or 5 million millimeters. Would that be 5 million millimeters? It'd have to be, wouldn't it? Do I have that right? Put 2 zeros on that, that makes it 500,000. Perfect, alright.